it's TEERAIJTV and welcome back to my channel. So, I had a lot of people to DM me and ask me, what is T Ray J? So, T Ray J is basically my initials but spelled out. And I go by Ray, so that's why that's spelled out. So in today's video will be a full process video where I show you guys my application, my drilling process, the filing process. This is not the best video of my application, but I wanted to record for you guys. If you have not seen my last video, it was a birthday prep video. You guys should definitely go tune into that. And if you do like more vlog videos, please comment down below and let me know. I enjoy my birthday so much, even though I didn't really do too much. I just chilled with a couple friends and we just spent time with each other. So as I told you guys before, I do not use a certain amount of beads. I just use what I need. Right now I am using Covered Pink by Young Nails. This color actually shows up a lot different on this client. I'm not used to it being this pale, but it shows up on different clients. Like my lighter skin clients, it shows up different, it shows up more pink, and then on my dark skin clients it shows up more pale, more nudish, beige looking. I can't really explain the color, but it definitely shows up a lot different. So, but I still like this color. It turned out really pretty. I just noticed the color change on my clients. So I start off at the tip of the nail. I want you guys to understand that when using straight tips, the application is so much different than using the natural curved tip. So you will see my application change up a lot, but I do use the straight tips more often than the natural curved tips. So yes, so I start off with a bead at the bottom of the tip where the natural tip and the free edge meet. And then I use the belly of my brush to kind of form the acrylic to the tip. As you guys can see, when I'm doing my sides, trying to keep my shape, I am not swiping. I am just pressing the acrylic into its shape. I'm not swiping at all. You do not want to swipe with straight tips, nor do you want to swipe with natural curved tips, because then you will actually be able to see the clear tip, and then you will have to do a lot of filing afterwards. So you want to form it, you want to pat it in place, not swipe the acrylic. And so when I just placed my second bead, I placed it right in front of the cuticle, not quite in the cuticle, but right above the cuticle. So and that's just me trying to build an apex, even though she does have a curved nail bed. So you don't want to place too much product right there, but you just want to place enough. And you want to just pat, swipe, pat, swipe. And I forgot to mention, guys, but if you keep seeing the nails go out of frame, it's me checking the side profile. I think it is very important to check the side profile to make sure that your apex is in the right area, to make sure that you're not applying too much product to the nail. And yeah, you just want to check from sidewall to sidewall, so you won't have to do a whole lot of filing after application. Y'all, I'm really admiring the application of this particular nail. Like, you know how you have that favorite nail out of the whole set, like from application to shaping to actually being done with the nail. This was my favorite nail. As y'all can see, that cuticle application was amazing. So when you're doing your cuticle application, you want to kind of take most of the liquid out of the bead, but make sure that it's still wet. Don't take all of the liquid, but just a little bit, so you won't flood your cuticles. She had amazing cuticles, so I did not have to trim anything or do too much to it. She had amazing cuticles. Literally always struggle with the first bead of the thumb. Like, do anybody else struggle with thumb application? Like, sometimes it comes out super bomb, and then sometimes I have to add more beads than needed, or more beads than I usually do. So yeah, like, the thumbs be giving me so much problems, but it's okay because it still turned out really, really pretty at the end. You know me, baby. What could I do? Hey, mean nothing. You have a girlfriend. Yeah. It's she like it, but I'll cry. Yeah, you were so kind, so kind. I feel tired. So this is after the application process, and I am going on to filing. So I use a sanding band and then this carbide bit that I got from Amazon. And if you see the nails already scuffled up, that is because I use my hand file to kind of take away, to kind of debulk the nail a little bit. And I didn't take that part only because like it wasn't a really clear shot. But I hand file first, and then I go to seal the cuticle. So right here, guys, y'all can see that the bit actually slipped off. I did not cut her. But you just want to be careful. My client was kind of moving a lot. We was talking, and she was moving a lot. So you know, just pay attention, guys. You do not want to cut your client at all, because that sucks. You want to be really gentle and really slow. If you need to, pull back the skin a little bit. But you always want to protect your client's finger. Always protect the client's finger, so that they will not get cut. Because the way I see it, I would rather be cut first than my client. I will also suggest, if you are a beginner, to get a safety drill bit. And the only difference with that and this bit that I'm using now is that the safety drill bit is round at the tip of the bit, so that you will not cut your clients. There's no way you can cut your client with a safety drill bit. I used that for a very long time when I first started, but now I'm pretty comfortable. At first, when you first buy a drill bit, it is kind of scary because they're super sharp, but I'm very comfortable with this one, that it kind of dulled out a little bit. So now I am taking my sanding band and I'm just fixing up the free edge of the tip a little bit, just kind of sharpening it up a little bit. You do not have to do this part. And then I'm going to take it and seal the cuticle one more time. Make sure you are using very light pressure, guys, because we've already went in with the carbide bit and now we're going in with the sanding bit. So you don't want to make no kind of ring of fires anywhere. You want to be very gentle in this process. Yes, guys, this video is coming to an end. If you like what you see, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye, guys.